Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude with taper angle and shell features. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch here. Here will be the midpoint, so the first thing that we make, we'll create a square here, 50 by 50 millimeters, okay? And then we use the arc to create an arc here with 25 millimeters of radius. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the 2-point rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 50 by 50 millimeters. Okay, now go to create and select arc, 3-point arc, click on this point and this point here. When you see the tangent symbol here, it is the correct way. Press OK, finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 25 millimeters with 15 degrees, okay? To make this angle here, we use the taper angle in the extrude. So go to create, select the extrude, select this profile. The distance here, minus 25 millimeters. And the taper angle selected 15 millimeters, 15 degrees, sorry. Operation new body and press OK. Look that we have an angle here and this extrusion. Okay. We made this. Now we needed to use the shell features to remove a face here and add thickness. The thickness will be 5 millimeters. So go to modify, select the shell, select the face that we want to remove, this face here, and the inside thickness 5 millimeters and the direction inside. Press OK. We made this, okay? Now press letter A in the keyboard, add the color to this body here. You can select any color you want, okay, no problem. And that's it. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.